Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I have a very special unboxing for you today. I hope that you will like it, and please feel free to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I purchased this bag as a birthday gift for myself. I think that this cruise collection is just the best ever. I like so many items, I just cannot resist. The colors are amazing. So without further ado, let me reveal the bag, and I hope that you like it. Here is the receipt. And as a tradition, I have to stick the camellia flower on top of the box. I do it every time. Guys, I filmed the whole unboxing and then I checked my phone. There was some issue with the settings. I don't know what went wrong. I cannot use this footage, but anyway, look at the bag. How pretty is this color? It's a bubblegum pink. When I saw it for the first time in a store, I fell in love with this bag. I tried it in a size small and I was like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I took a picture. I always liked pink, but I always kind of felt uncomfortable buying pink because it's such a girly color, but you know what, stuff it, I love it, and not all what matters. Actually, I have another pink bag in the lighter pink. It's so beautiful. It's in lambskin. It's in size mini, rectangular mini, and I love it, but the leather is so soft. That's why when I saw this bag in caviar, I fell in love with it. And I know caviar is so durable, I can just use it. And I have to be very careful with lambskin. It's so delicate. Even the way I store the chain, I have to put it inside. I have to make sure no bags are close to this bag because they might imprint somehow on the leather. It's so delicate and so hard to look after, while caviar is timeless. It's easy to use. It's perfect. And this is how it looks in a different light. The color is a little bit different, but I still like it. It's very beautiful. It's reflecting the light. And the hardware looks amazing too. Chanel got it right with hardware this season for sure. I think this is more true to real life color. This is how I see it. And it's beautiful. It's all pink inside. The pocket is cute. And this is how it looks in a bright light. I put it on the windowsill. The color changes as well. It's still beautiful, but it's different. And it's so easy to integrate this color in a wardrobe. It would look great with so many other colors. It would look great with white, with gray, yellow, blue, lilac, silver, purple, to name but a few. It's just such an amazing color and a perfect shade. I've seen other shades before for the past 2 seasons. They were great. There was dusty pink. There were more coral-like pink. They were nice, but I think this is my favorite color and I just had to have this bag. By the way, if you're new to my channel and you haven't seen the unboxing of my 2 other bags that I've recently purchased and the private preview of the Pausa collection, I will add the links in the description box below so you can check them out. Thank you so much for watching my video. Let me know if you have any questions about the bag. I'm more than happy to answer. Please feel free to subscribe for more content and follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!